Hi, I'm Sun Hee Kim. I want to introduce planar construction based on Rowena Reed Kostellow's theory. So your arm is going to be just like a compass. So use all your body movement. Then it's really nice practice to use your body movement for drawing. Later then, you can apply this movement for using math. First, you need to score the line, which one you can choose from your line exercise. So I'm going to use this for a dominant line first. This time, I'm going to try parabolic first. I think this one is, you can see, I'm gonna use little smaller line, maybe subordinate first. Side, and for a neutral line in here to avoid center point, and I'm going to try like this, just a slowly. Then you will see this kind of beautiful form. Can you see this side and this side? And you can squeeze it like this. You can use this form for your design. So for your body covering, you can use the form, how you can apply this form for your body covering. Or for architecture, how you can develop this form. You can apply this kind of exercise. The planar construction project by Rowena Reed Kostellow's principle. And this is how I teach.